So today we are at the SRH Waterlab, but before entering the lab we need to ensure our safety. So we have this lab coats on and this hand gloves, and also we need to ensure that we have the safety goggles on. So let's go. Once you enter into the lab, first thing you notice is the body shower. In case of emergencies, if you have met with any certain accidents or with the acids, you deal with acids. So if it sprays onto your body, it helps to cleanse it off and you are safe. Moving forward, we have this turbidity meter to measure the turbidity of any fluids. Then we have the precision weight, where you measure certain weights you need it for your experiments and stuff. Then we have this multimeter, which we use it in field measurements for lakes or some rivers or some anything. We have these probes connected to it, so it generally gives you physical chemical measurements of pH, electrical conductivity and turbidity, etc. Moving forward, we also have this turbidity meters, or generally to determine portable field measurements equipments. And speaking about safety, we also have this eye washing station. In case you deal with certain chemicals and it spills into your eyes, so you can clean it off, and in order to ensure that you are safe. Moving forward, for detecting heavy metals and nutrients concentration in water bodies, we use this spectrophotometer and this thermal digester to determine the content of nitrates, phosphate or DOC in water bodies, for example. Then we have a small oven for performing biological experiments. Here we tend to grow microorganisms for certain biological experiments. Then we have a pumping or a dosing station, which basically is used for in wastewater treatment and also in swimming pools basically. So it helps to pump in and maintain the amount of chlorine in your swimming pools. Moving forward, we have this spectrophotometer, again a smaller version of it, where you can generally generate the wavelengths of the solutions and see how the water body interacts with other chemicals. And moving forward, we have this digital microscope, and these here are the titration stations, and here is a small incubator which we use for biological oxygen demand in our water experiments. After working in this lab, students are capable enough and will get hands-on experience with the equipments and devices which commercial industries and which they use. And once you finish working here in a water lab, you can pursue your career as a lab assistant or as a working lab supervisor in any kind of industries, such as wastewater treatment plants or food industries or petrochemical industries and so on. So this was basically the short tour of our water lab. Thank you.